Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can go ahead and redeem Google Play gift card on your iPhone. But before that, please make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we'll simply go ahead and step into our video. For that matter, you're simply gonna go ahead, first of all, open up your browser right there in your mobile phone. You're gonna simply go ahead, type in play.google.com, and once you will land on this official website of Google Play, what you're gonna do is simply gonna go ahead, tap on this profile icon that will be on top right corner. Tap on it. Now go to this option called payments and subscription, that will be on second. And once you're done doing it, so you will find this kind of interface, right? So if you scroll down, you will be able to find various options. You can simply go ahead, zoom a little bit, and then you will find this option called redeem and gift cards option. Go ahead, tap on this redeem option, and this will give you this access where you can enter your redeem code, your gift cards, play cards code. Simply once you're done adding it, once it's correct promo code, then you can tap on this redeem option, which will light up after the correct code number, and then you can simply be able to redeem your particular gift card code in your Google Play in your iPhone. So this is basically it, guys. I hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys on our next video.